Okay, guys, this is gonna. Do not try this at home. Warning: if this for little kids, do not watch this.
Hello.
Do not watch this.
Wait, I want to be. Hello.
Do not watch this because Sam Kame's
Wait.
undead stuff. So here we go.
Also on my YouTube channel, please subscribe to me because I don't have a subscriber. I'm too.
Okay, guys, now let's get into the video. So what do you want to do? What is it? Well, I don't know. This kid's watching right now.
Warning! This contains something probably disgusting.
What is it?
Show the viewers. You already know.
Oh my god! Okay, warning. If you're a little kid, do not watch this. I can't show you.
No, please grab the
It's dead.
Yeah, I'm giving you confidence. I'm giving you confidence.
Okay.
Can I touch it? Can I touch it? Then all those girls that came to my house. Adios, amigo.
Yeah. Hello. I can't show it. Okay, guys. Oh my god, I'm gonna tell you by the trash can what happened. Oh my god. Okay. I know. Why there would be a dead bird? Sounds like I got bitten by a dog. Okay. Do not do this. Warning. Now goodbye. Peace out, home dudes.